Hey guys, welcome to one more very interesting session with Sai Nihal. See, we have a community of code juniors. That's the thing, but the children who are in age between of 10 to 17 years, they have enrolled for a program called Code Junior. And for every 3 months, we conduct different competitions to improve their skills. So in this summer, we have kept a number of competitions for these children. Out of that, the one topic is a presentation topic. So each and every student has to present that why kids should learn to code. So as a part of that particular competition, Sai Nihal is participating in this presentation. So let's welcome Sai Nihal and ask a few more questions from Sai Nihal. Sai Nihal, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
So tell me, like, what made you to enroll into this coding program?
Sir, your energy and enthusiasm made me to enter into the program.
Okay, and what you have learned in all these days?
About coding and so much information about the society.
Okay.
And we can help each other by practicing.
Very good.
And if anyone get doubts, we can clarify each and everyone's.
Very
by
good.
interacting, for interacting, I think this course is made, sir.
Okay. So, like, have you developed any applications using this coding classes?
Yes, sir.
What are all the applications you have built?
Scratch programming.
Okay.
HTML.
Okay.
CSS.
Fine.
And
you have created so many
Python.
websites
Yes,
and so many applications. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the today's session is to share why kids should learn to code. So what is your topic exactly? Can you tell me?
Means we so many kids in the urban areas unable to learn the coding, sir.
Okay.
Means the parents are focusing on studies and any other programs, but coding is other platform which helps them to cope up with their studies.
So are you ready with your presentation?
Yes, sir.
So Sai Nihaal, I have given like permission to share the screen. You can share your screen and you can start your presentation.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, begin.
Hey guys, welcome to this Tech Talk show. Today, I'm going to say 3 secrets why kids should learn coding. Not only 3 secrets, I can say many more. But before going to the topic, let me introduce myself. I am Sai Nihaal of class 10th. I am learning coding from 1 year. And I have learned C programming and many more languages near this year. Now, at the end of the video, I will give some valuable points, so don't miss the last. So before going to the topic, let's know what is code. What is coding? The process of creating instructions for computers using programming languages is known as coding. Here, the first computer programming language was created in 1883, which was algorithm for the analytical engine. It was created with the help of Charles Babbage and Ada Lovelace. The first functioning programming language designed to communicate instructions to a computer were written in the early 1950s. Dennis Ritchie is the father of modern computers. There are a bunch of programming languages in the society like C, C++, R, Perl, and many more. It is a formal language comprising a set of strings and outputs. Programming languages are kind of a computer language are used in computer programming to implement algorithms. Here are some programming languages which is used in the society and available in the society. These are the few. Other than this, there are many more like Java, C, Python, C++, assembly language, Swift, Go, R, and many more. Clear-cut information about HTML, CSS, Java. HTML, it is just the body of the language. CSS, it gives colors and effects to the language. JavaScript, help the code which goes in the which helps the HTML CSS to go in the correct order. Now let's come to our topic. Why kids should learn coding? Coding boosts problem solving skill. We can say like it can speed the solving problem. As in maths, we have some big problems like multiplications, like 99 square, 99 square, 101 square. In some questions, we will get the big problems. In those, we can improve the skills. Next, coding improves computational thinking. First of all, what is computational thinking? It is a computational thinker is one who collects the data and analyzes it to understand the problem. This is more important case in the coding. If we get a simple question like construct a code to generate 1,000 numbers, then we should think a lot and do and we should write on the paper how to do this, what is the logic, and many more. By this, we can say that coding improves computational thinking. It can help in the logical reasoning even. Coding encourages persistence. Persistence is a soft skill in which every programmer needs it because they cannot give up every time adversity strikes important across many careers. And it can build a strong digital citizens. Coding helps digital literacy. Coding is a career building skill. If we learn more coding, it helps in our resume. Like if we go to any companies and we can show a resume, in that we can have learned some codes and then he will ask some questions. By this, we can build our skills. If you learn how to code, you will open the doors to a wide choice of careers. This is an excellent point I have found in the social media. And in this process, in the whole process, coding bonds with the computer. Like we do coding and computer helps to give the and it responds to our answers and it responds to our questions. So in the whole process of coding, the computer is bonded to coding. In the same way, computer is bonded to us. See, it's bonded to us like we can't at all, we can't leave it. I have set some valuable points in the starting of the video. Those valuable points is one of this. How young do people start programming? Here, this is a chart in which how many years so the kids of age these years do how much percent of coding. Like we have maximum in 14 to 15 years like me. So in this age limit, 19.2% do coding. And the age from 10 to 19 years has more than 10% to do coding, but 28 to 29 years, 0.7%. Those are 20 to 30 years older, the percentage of coding depends on the software engineers and the hardware engineers. Younger than 10% and younger than 10%, 10 years is the parents which motivate the kids to do coding. By that, we can analyze the chart which helps the people to do coding.
So according to your chart, it says that 10 to 20 years is where most
Yes,
people
sir.
are engaged in coding. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Very good.
Software developer employment growth. And coding has taken an important role in the software development. Like it's 26% for applications and developers, 21% for developers and computer occupations. Software developers, system softwares, and total all occupations is just 15%. So this is the chart which is till 2028.
Okay.
So it has more percent in 26 software developers.
So you mean to say that software side we have more job opportunities?
Yes, sir.
Right? Very good.
So Thank you.
So Sai Nihaal, a few more questions I would like to ask. Like, where did you collected this data?
Sir, I have searched so many websites, sir, to get some important information, but I
Okay.
got in few websites.
Okay. So, like when I said, na, like you guys have to participate in a presentation, then it has made you to work, like it has helped you to search information across Google. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So you have improved that particular skill also.
Yes, sir. In
Great.
coding.
Very good. So what is your future plan and what do you want to do?
Sir, I want to go to NEET side, sir. NEET.
Neat. Like you want to go on medicine side.
Yes, sir.
So see, there are so many students who are interested on medical side, but they have a doubt that like by learning computers, how it will be helpful for me if I go on, if I go for a medical side. So do you have any idea? Can you share with our audience?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
In the NEET doctor side also, we have many opportunities in the, means they are not visible to the outside world. They are in the inside world and do many programs to find medicines.
Very good. So even on medical side also, if you are learning coding, it will be helpful for you in future. Am I
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir. It will be useful for scientists in the doctors.
Very good. So thank you, Sai Nihaal, for your wonderful presentation and wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Bye and take care.
Bye, sir.